guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate new text styles in Picsart. So go to documents here and scroll down until you find generate text styles, and it basically will generate a new text effect essentially for your text. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Type in your text. I'm just going to type in I'm trying to think of something to type. I'm just going to type in coquette. I don't know what to type. And here I'm going to select the Fairy Rose art text style. And I'm just going to select add to canvas. And it will basically generate that text into that style. Like so. Is there a way to... I think there is. Here it is. And that is pretty much it, really. Unfortunately, you can't really change the styles to your liking exactly, but they do have a lot for you to choose. There's also sushi, which I'm curious what it will look like if I just type in sushi here. Add to canvas. I feel like it'd be super cute. But, ooh, that is so cute, actually. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!